In this video, we will see how to read a CSV file in Python. So the first thing, CSV is nothing but comma separated value, where this is nothing but an Excel, but each item is separated by an identifier which is a comma. Okay, so now we have a folder in which we have a CSV file, and we will use this CSV file to read that file and print the contents of the file. So for this, we will use the CSV module in Python. So the first thing that we have to do is import CSV. Now once that is imported, let us try to open the CSV file in Python. With there is a open function. So for opening, we will be taking the CSV, okay, and we will use mode which is okay, which is basically read, and then we will open as data underscore read. Okay, so what we are basically doing is we are opening the file in read mode, and we are opening it as data read. Now we will assign data read. Okay, this is a file, right? That's what we are opening. So let us try to see csv underscore read. Okay, csv underscore read is nothing but csv dot v. You can see there are several functions. Csv dot read of reader. Okay, let us try to list. Yeah, reader is the function you can see here as data underscore read. Okay, so that means we are trying to read the contents of the file, and we are assigning it to csv read. So reader is the inbuilt function. So now we have all the contents in csv read, and let us try to print line by line. Okay, for line in csv read, and we will try to print each line. Okay, so first of all, we have opened the file in read mode. Okay, and then we are trying to read the contents into csv read, and we are reading line by line and then printing. Let us try to run this. Okay, you can see here this 2020-2021 is a English Premier League season CSV file which has contents about different teams, and you can see each and every line, the contents of the CSV file are printed. So this is how we extract the contents of the CSV, or we read the contents of the CSV file in Python.